welcome to Finextra. I'm Josie Waite and I'm here at Money2020 Europe in Amsterdam, and here with me now is Benoît Legrand from ING Bank, and we're discussing innovation in corporate banking. Thank you so much for joining me, Benoît.
No, thank you for having me, thanks.
So, can banks survive the disruption that is coming to them?
I think banks can absolutely survive. I think banking will certainly survive. We just need banks, right? What banks need to learn now is just to be and behave and get back to the service industry. Like the banking is a bit like oxygen, right? You don't see it, you breathe it, you don't realize you're doing it, but once you stop for 30 seconds, then you might have a problem, right? You suddenly realize it. And banking is like this. We need to get back to the essence of what we are, just bringing the energy, empowering customers. And if we solve this, if we bring this value to customers, then the relationship can certainly go on. We are working, for instance, with a fintech called Cabbage in France, in Italy, and in Spain, where we give a loan to small business in less than 10 minutes, right? And this is where the oxygen those CEOs of those small business need, right? Just solve their problems, 10 minutes, a loan with an answer which is tailor-made, right? So this is, if we reinvent banking this way, and I think we have the power and the energy to do this, I think we can certainly more than survive, but I think even enhance the business model which we had and bring the customer much more at the center of our preoccupation.
What is, in your view, the key driver in corporate innovation?
Well, that's a tricky question because there are many, but I think if I would have to take one, I would say leadership. And eventually it's all down to people. We're talking about digitization, but I think the main challenge is not digitization. The main challenge is a cultural and a human transformation. How do we get the people, the mindset, the culture to change this, the way we are doing business? And it takes a lot of courage to look into the unknown world, to take bold steps for the coming 5 or 10 years. No? When we started Yolt in the UK, the money management platform, a year ago, looking at PSD2, we just said that PSD2 is a fantastic opportunity for us, right? Not a threat. So, but it takes a bold step 2 years ago to say we're going to put efforts, and now we have more than 50 people, 300,000 customers after 1 year. But it takes leadership to do this, right? The idea can have everyone, but executing it in a decisive way, this is where leaderships make the difference.
How do you see the role of big techs in the financial space?
Now, big techs are really disrupting the whole industry. We've been focusing on fintechs, right? And we've seen the models of fintechs moving from opposition to collaboration, right? They move from B2C, understanding it's quite hard to get customers, and going into cooperation. So now we work with 150 fintechs, all right? So, but yet big techs are very much interested, not so much into banking, but all the banking activities which are helping them to get to their platforms, right? So, and those are massive, and I think those are certainly companies we need to take a very close look at, because they have the power to execute, they have the branding. What we still have as a bank is a trust element and a safe place for your data, maybe, or a safe place for your money. And this is a role which bank can certainly play in the coming years, right? Being a safe place for your data and for your money.
That's brilliant. Thank you so much for speaking with me.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
And thank you for watching.